What's the meaning of clawback? Clawback. Clawback.
Clawback. Clawback. A clawback is a contractual provision that allows the retrieval of previously paid compensation or benefits under certain conditions. Typically, this happens when it is discovered that the recipient obtained the payment through fraudulent or unethical activities. Clawback clauses are commonly found in employment contracts, executive compensation packages, and stock option plans. The purpose of clawback provisions is to discourage harmful behavior and protect shareholder interests. By allowing companies to recover previously paid compensation, clawback clauses can help to offset financial losses and restore public trust in the company.